Today, I'm going to show you a mashup of my German grandmother's pot roast and my dad's beef curry. Growing up, I could never understand how they could take beef, onion, and garlic and make them taste so completely different. So, I made a fusion of the two. I call it Indian pot roast. With Indian food, you temper the whole spices into the oil, which flavors the oil, which flavors the roast. So, we have our cinnamon stick, our clove, bay leaves, and coriander. And last but not least, this little guy. It looks like a rock, but it's not. It's black cardamom. It's bitter and earthy and grumpy and umami, and it adds a ton of flavor. When the bay leaf starts to brown on the edges, we're gonna add our cumin seed. Immediately, we're adding our onion. Season the onions with salt and pepper. Add ginger root and garlic puree. Make a well in the center of the pot. Add the meat and sear on both sides. The meat is nicely seared. I'm gonna turn the heat down to low and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes with the lid on it. It looks great. We're gonna push the roast to the side and add our Madras curry powder and then our red pepper. We're gonna let this cook for just a few minutes, stirring constantly. And we're gonna add our yogurt and then our beef stock. We're gonna cover, bring to a boil. It's boiling. Pop it into a 325-degree oven for 3 to 4 hours until it's fall apart tender. Indian pot roast. Make it for your next Sunday dinner.